This is where they used to put the guns mounted here.
But how do they shoot it?
Was sticked out the barrel and just they'd wait for the Japanese to come and da 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 da.
Hey guys, thanks for joining for another video of Buddy in Hawaii. We are hiking to some pillboxes or gun bunkers that were built in World War II. My family calls it the Gorilla Mountain because in the front of the mountain you can see the face of a gorilla. Make sure you pack your water.
He never closed his water bottle all the way.
Oh, now you got a bag of water?
Oh, I can hold it all. Why do I gotta hold it?
I got to empty out this bag.
Wait, don't touch it on the mud. Here. Now, give me the water. Cool off.
Why's it gotta be me?
Because you look the
Because you're
hottest.
the one the sweatiest.
Oh, puppy.
What? Oh.
Hey. Get off the path, guys.
I don't think I can.
Oh. Awesome. Look at the baby in the back. Hey. Thanks, you too. See you, guy. Goodbye. Cruising, loving it.
Oh, yeah.
So this may be easier if they pass down.
Yeah.
The view on the top is very amazing. My cousin Chloe mostly led the way. It was both of our first time seeing the pillboxes. There are 5 total pillboxes. We made it to the top, first one. This one has That's super duper scary.
Hey, bud. We're going to the next one. Yeah. Don't touch anything. This is where they used to put the guns mounted here.
But how do they shoot it?
Was sticked out the barrel and just they'd wait for the Japanese to come and da 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 da.
Why do we paint it?
Just make it nice.
An America one. There's an America one. What is that?
It's trash.
Look. One pillbox was painted pink for breast cancer awareness. turtles from up here.
Come on.
What's that?
The next one. Oh, that's where they used to hoist it up.
Oh, look at this. What is this?
It's a hoist.
That's what I was telling you. Cannon? And I'll still one. And I'll see his other one. And I'll see the egg on the right. The second one. The second egg, right? The egg, remember? I cracked the egg. I cracked it on my finger and then I whipped it off.
You're making holding it hard.
Yeah. I was like holding it and then I just cracked my thumb.
Going down was much easier. By this time, the sun has reached the other side of the mountain. Hanging out under these big trees has some shade and a time for you to drink some water. Make sure you subscribe for another episode of Buddy in Hawaii, where we jump off rocks and cool off from that hike. Mahalo!